Okay, so a lot of people actually struggle with outreach, and this one tip that I'm going to show you is going to automate your process on building super personalized emails that actually make sense and they catch the eye of the reader. So let's jump straight into it. We're going to be using make.com. You should be already familiar with it. It's an automated tool that I use frequently and many automators use it frequently, but I'm going to skip all of the talking and let's get straight into it. But if you of course don't know what make.com is or how to use it, I have made many tutorials on make.com. It's really simple. Just log in to make.com, create a scenario, and let's get straight into it. I have made this simple scenario that I'm going to recreate with you right now so you see how to do it. So you just right click, you do add module, and you do Google Sheets or Airtable or whatever place you have your contacts in. I've just created a demo spreadsheet with some contact. It's gonna be me, first name, last name, and info about me. How I got the info is I just researched myself on Perplexity and used it as a background info. You could use LinkedIn or any of these profiles, also automate the process, but let's say you already have a spreadsheet of your clients or of your potential clients. Boom. So you use this spreadsheet, you just go to Google Sheets, you do search rows, connect automatically because we need to have the trigger right here, but it's just for demonstration purposes. You do select from my drive, of course, spreadsheet ID. It's going to be how you got it named. What is the name of the spreadsheet? Of course, sheet name. As you can see, sheet name is, you gotta have the same here if you have more sheets. Of course, you gotta choose the correct one. And then you're going to set the limit to whatever many rows you have here. I have only 2, so I'm gonna go with 2. Boom, and we should have it. Now, what you should do is you should right click the module and run this module only to get the variables you want, which are name, B, and C. Okay, I should actually name them last name and info, but it doesn't matter. It's okay. So you got the info you need. It. Now we can move to Perplexity. Okay, so I'm just delete this module. You will go with create a chat completion. So you go again, right click, add module, Perplexity AI, create a chat completion. Again, connect automatically. And the module you can use Sonar. Of course, do your connections. As I said, I have many videos on how to do them. Kind of easy. Just get the API key and boom, connect everything. Here we're going to do a message. Okay, so I'm going to show you on what I already done. It's really basic, don't copy it exactly because you're probably going to make better prompts and all that, but just to give you some ideas. For the first message, you always gotta address the system. So like, what is it going to do? So you do role system, and then the content is research name, like first name, last name, to Shefik Soleh with this background, and that's the info. You can see right here. Boom. So we got that. And now we're gonna do another message. Just keep it to 2. It's simple. Content is going to be write me about Shefik Soleh, and the role is the user. So the role user is what would you type to Perplexity AI. So right now I'm in the role of the user. I think you get it. Boom. So this is going to get us some info about me. So let's just run it. Boom. So we got it. So now let's check the results we got. So we go to choices, one, message, content, and boom, you got all of the content you need. Perplexity did the research for you. So we got Shefik Soleh is an AI focused professional and content creator who actively blah 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 blah. So we got all of this info, which you would probably spend many hours researching and then writing into some structured way. We got it in seconds, literally. Boom. So what do you do with this right now? You just go to ChatGPT, and this is exactly why I made the video. The previous video was about how to use the different AI tools. Some people would just do one AI tool, which I don't recommend. You gotta always have more modules for some tasks. So you don't want to have like one GPT module for research and then also for chat complete for writing the email. That's not good. But also you need to use different AI modules, because if you use ChatGPT for research, it's not the best, right? You have Perplexity for that. So go check that video out, super valuable. And yeah, so the GPT module is about the email copy. So here we're going to go create the chat completion. Model is going to be, it can be, let's say, GPT-4o mini. Max tokens can be like this, we can leave it like that. And now we're going to again add the messages. So role is going to be a developer, and I'm going to just say you are a professional copywriter that writes sales copy. Boom. So I guess this is okay. Sorry, I I guess this is enough for the system. You can play with it a lot more, of course. You can even go to ChatGPT to write its own prompts and all that. I think you already know this, but I'm just demonstrating this, and it's also going to work just with the simple prompts. Message is going to be user, so I'm going to say write me an email about, or not about, to, we're going to go boom, to Shevik. I'm not gonna include the last name because we want to keep it personalized, so the last name would kind of make it spammy. I just have this feeling you can add the last name, but I try to keep it to first name. Here is the info you need. Here's the info you need. So we're gonna go to choices, message, content. If I'm right, wait. I think this is it. Yeah. Just gonna make sure that we got the right. Yeah, we got the right. Make it and short. Boom. So now we're going to run this scenario and we are going to get a personalized email. Hope I'm not too fast for you, but I just want to keep this video really short and valuable as always. So you can leave a like and comment and also subscribe to my channel. It would help me a lot. So we have the email copy. Let's look. Gotta go option 1 or operation 1, sorry. And we're gonna go again to choices, to 1, and to message, and to content. Boom. Subject, quick collab idea for your AI channel. Hey Shafik, I've been following your YouTube demos for pop-up AI voice cloning to Gumloop lead qualification, and I really admire how you make advanced AI tools, blah 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 blah. Thanks for inspiring so many of us to push AI further. Boom. Okay, so it is not the best email. It's still kind of long. Okay, but by the way, if you want me to make videos on how to actually do emails and all that copywriting stuff, because I have been doing them for a long time. I've sent out like 25,000 emails in 3 months. So I genuinely know what I'm talking about. If you want me to make a video on that, just leave a comment down below and I will make it. You have the idea. You know, this video is not a complete tutorial because I want you to actually use your mind and your creativeness to structure these things. So just give you an idea. You can play with it a little bit and you just have, of course you can give it in the prompt. This is my name, you know, add like my name, my company, my phone number at the end of the email, at the end of each email, so it would not have these variables that needs to be filled. Choices. And you can also say, okay, make it even shorter, blah 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 blah, and boom. So this is it. Kind of simple, easy video, but a lot of value as I said. So leave a comment, leave a like, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.